To remove the mounting assembly from the car entirely, first detach the tablet by grabbing it from the top middle and pull it quickly. Lift the mount up, unscrew this side and the other side. Release the board from the mounts, and now you want to use this plastic tool. Use the smaller side and try to weaken the adhesive by sticking this inside the adhesive and going along the edges slightly. And do that for the other side as well. Take your time and do this for the other side as well. It doesn't have to go all the way in. Just go along the edges. Once that's done, now grab the mount from the back, like over here. I'm not grabbing it from here. That's not the right way to do it. So grab it all the way from here and use both hands if you must, like this, and twist it left and right. Okay, that one is done, and now you can get rid of the adhesive left on here, and you do the same thing for this side. Grab it with both hands, twist it left to right. There is an adhesive left, you can easily get rid of it.